Imagine having the power to create innovative apps, automate repetitive tasks, and design cutting-edge products without needing to write a single line of code. In this video, we'll explore the world of no-code tools and share some incredible tutorials to get you started. From visual programming platforms like Atalo and Bubble to automation tools like Zapier and Ift, we'll dive into the best options for building mobile apps, automating workflows, and creating custom products. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a developer, these no-code tools will give you the freedom to innovate and bring your ideas to life without needing to learn a code. We'll start with Atalo, a visual app builder that allows you to create mobile apps without writing a single line of code. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can design and build custom apps for iOS and Android devices. Next, we'll explore Bubble, a popular platform for building web applications and websites without coding. Using its visual editor, you can create custom pages, add interactive elements, and connect to databases and APIs. Moving on, we'll look at Zapier, a powerful automation tool that connects different apps and services to automate repetitive tasks. With its user-friendly interface, you can create custom workflows and connect hundreds of apps, including popular services like Google Drive, Slack, and MailChimp. Finally, we'll explore Ift, another automation tool that allows you to create custom applets and automate tasks based on specific triggers. With its simple interface, you can create custom workflows and connect a wide range of apps and services. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the best no-code tools for building apps, automating workflows, and creating custom products. So, let's get started and explore the world of no-code development.